viewers, welcome to our channel.
Checking the threat or inducement of voters, cognizable offense. If any person forces a member of SC or ST community into not voting or voting for a particular candidate or voting unlawfully, he commits an offense under Section 3, Clause 1, Subclause 7 of the Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocity Act 1989. Non-cognizable offense. Filing or false affidavit or hiding the facts about the candidate in the affidavit filed by the candidate is an offense under Section 125A of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Punishment for the act is 6 months of imprisonment, fine, or both. False declaration regarding the induction or deduction from the electoral roll. It's an offense under Section 31 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Punishment for such offense is 1 year imprisonment, fine, or both. Whoever, in terms to affect the election results, publishes a statement of fact that is false about the character or conduct of any candidate is an offense under the Section 171G of the Indian Penal Code, and the punishment is fine. If any person without the general or special authorities of an expense on account of the holding of public meeting or any other campaign expenses is returned, he would have made an offense under Section 171H of the Indian Penal Code. The punishment is fine, which may be up to 500. Corrupt practices. Any gift, offer, or promise by a candidate or the receipt of agreement to receive any gratification by the candidate or his agent or by any other person with the consent of the candidate or his election agent of any gratification to any person whomsoever with the object directly or indirectly of inducing a person to stand or not to stand as or to withdraw or not to withdraw from being a candidate at an election, for an elector to vote or refrain from voting at an election, or as a reward to a person for having so stood or not stood, or for having withdrawn or not withdrawing his candidature, or an elector for having voted or refrained from voting is an offense under Section 123, subsection 1 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. What is an election commission? What is its role? All over the globe, there are different ways to conduct a free and fair election. India has taken up the part of establishing of election commission under the Article 324 of the Constitution of India, and also gives it various rules and powers. First, when established, the number of members were only one, but after 1993, there are 3 members, Chief Election Commissioner and 2 Election Commissioner, all having the same power and appointed by the President of India for a term of 6 years, with their retiring age being 65. And generally, the election commissioners are retired IAS.